Okay, almost everybody is back now. Okay, so this is 4 times pi by 2. So even multiple of pi by 2, so sine will remain as sine. And 2 pi minus it is fourth quadrant where you will get minus. Harika, cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Will I get cos theta or sin theta?
Sir, sin theta
Okay,
and plus positive.
positive because this is which
Fourth
quadrant?
quadrant. Fourth quadrant.
All right. Okay, fine. Roll number 56, Pawan. Pawan, 56, roll number.
Yes, sir.
Here, tell me, here tan theta will come or cot theta will come? Tan pi plus theta.
Tan theta only, sir. Minus tan theta.
Oh, minus tan theta. Which quadrant it is? Pi plus theta?
Yes, sir. Third quadrant plus tan theta only.
Plus tan theta. Okay, fine. Sin pi plus theta. Okay. Vamsi, what will come? Sin pi plus theta?
Minus sin theta.
Yeah, it is even multiple of pi by 2. So sin and third quadrant negative. So minus sin. And what about this?
Sir,
Cos 2 pi minus theta.
sir, cos theta.
Cos theta. Fourth quadrant, 30 plus cos. Yes. Okay, this I give in terms of theta. It is not that every time you have to convert this angle into degrees and then do it. You have to be more become familiar with the radians also. Now I'm going to give some angles in radians. Don't convert into degrees. Without keeping it as radians only, and then try to find answers. Okay. I think all of you know how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. For example, I have 8 by 3. Okay. Or let us say 10 by 3 or 11 by 3. Take 11, divide with 3. 3 3s are 9. I will be left with 3. This can be written as this plus this plus this. 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay. So, for example, if I ask, let us start with that one itself. Okay. Tan 11 pi by 3. Then first of all, convert into mixed fraction like this. It is going to be tan 3 pi plus 2 pi by 2. Okay. Anyway, I just want to change it to 10 and write 1 here, 10 here, and 1 here. Okay. 3 pi plus pi by 2. Because it is even, this 6 times pi by 2. Let me write that also. 6 times pi by 2. Pi. Even multiple of 90, so tan will remain as 10. But where is this 3 pi? This is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, and this is 3 pi. 3 pi plus, which quadrant it is? 3 pi plus which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. So it is plus tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3, tan 60. Tan 60 is at least we should know these three things obviously. Pi by 3 is 60. Pi by 6 is 30. After all, pi is 180 anyway. And pi by 4 is 45 degrees. We'll be using this. Okay, now I'll give some questions like this. Don't convert into degrees, do like this and try to do it. Okay, sine 7 pi by 6. Cos 4 pi by 3. Convert 7 by 6 into mixed fraction. 4/3 into mixed fraction. Tan 5/4. Yes, Saket, tell.
First one is tan pi plus pi by 6, sir.
This is sine.
Sin pi plus pi by 6, sir.
Yes, correct. Sine 5 plus pi by 6. Because when you write mixed fractional, that 1 plus 1/6. Okay. So pi is an even multiple of pi by 2. So it will become sine pi by 6 only. Plus or minus. Pi plus, pi is 180. Pi plus means third quadrant, so it will be minus. And 180 by 6, 30 sine 30. So minus. This is when you write mixed fraction, pi plus pi by 2. Again, even multiple of 90, so cos will be minus cos pi by 3. Pi plus is third quadrant, so minus cos pi by 3, cos 60, so minus 1 by 2. Okay. Tan 5 pi by 4 is tan 5 plus pi by 4. Again, even multiple of pi by 2, so tan will be minus tan, so tan pi by 4. Third quadrant pi plus, so plus tan pi by 4 is tan 45. Okay. I'm sure you could do all these questions. Now I'll give some more questions where don't try to do mixed fraction. Okay. I'll tell you with an example. Fifth one. Let us say I have any angle is okay. Let us say sine 11 pi by 6. It is not, I can write mixed fraction. It is going to come 5 plus 5 pi by 6. Then I have to do 2 times. Why? Because I can remove this and get an answer. But 5 pi by 6 again 150. Again I have to write 180 minus 30 or something. So here better is, instead of writing mixed fraction, you see whether this is close to any multiple of denominator. Plus or minus, anything is okay. For example, I can write this as 6 plus 5, or I can write 12 minus 1. And 12 minus 1, that is multiple of 6 is 12. It is simply 1 less than that. So I'm going to write 11 as 12 minus 1 into pi by 6. When I take 12 into pi by 6, that is 2 pi. When I take minus pi by 6, I'm going to write minus pi by 6 as a plus here. Why I'm writing this? I know sine 360 plus theta is sine theta only. By adding 360, the angle will not change because it will be coming to same position. So if you have any 360 or multiple of 360, it can be neglected, right? Okay. I'm going to neglect this and directly write sine minus pi by 6. And sine minus theta is minus sine theta minus sine pi by 6. And that is sine 30 minus 1 by 2. Is it okay? Fifth one? I have written this as 6 plus 5 and 1 plus 5 by 6. But I am purposely writing it's a multiple of 6 closer to the right and 12 minus 1. Mamsi, is the fifth one okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. It is not necessary always that you should write that mixed fraction, all the details. For example, 4 by 3, you can simply write 3 plus 1 by 3 and write 1 plus 1 by 3. You have 7 by 6. You can write 6 plus 1 by 6. Simply write 1 plus 1 by 6. You don't have to write that all this division rule and all that. Okay. Let us say I have cos 7 pi by 4. Cos 7 pi by 4. When I take multiples of 4, this 7 is between 4 and 8. So I can write one way as 4 plus 3, another way as 8 minus 1. But I'll choose to write 8 minus 1 because if I write this, I'll get pi plus 3 pi by 4. Again, how do you deal with 3 pi by 4? I write pi minus pi by 4 or pi by 2 plus pi by 4. This is more convenient for me. So see which multiple of this is closer to this. And in that also, which one is more closer? Is it closer to 8 or closer to 7 is closer to 8 than 4. So I'm going to write that 7 as 8 minus 1 into 5. Cos it is 2 pi minus pi by 4. I'm going to write plus minus pi by 4. 360 can be neglected. So cos minus pi by 4. Cos minus theta is cos theta only. So it is cos pi by 4. And the cos pi by 4 is under. Okay, like this, I want to give some more questions. Sometimes you may have to just leave the answer instead of finding. Maybe I'll see. Okay, sine 13 pi by 7. Seventeen pi by 6 cos. Okay, these are good enough. Then we'll discuss some other point. Try these two. Okay, Harika, how you have written seventh one? Okay. Okay, roll number 56, Pawan. How did you write this seventh one?
So 2 pi minus pi by 7, sir.
Yes. 13, you can write 14 minus 1 into pi by 7. That is a sine of 2 pi plus minus pi by 7. 2 pi can be neglected because 360 sine minus pi by 7. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta minus sine pi by 7. We cannot find further because we don't know the value of sine pi by 7. Just leave it like that. Pradeep, what you have done for eighth one? Roll number 111, Pradeep. So how you have done this eighth one? Which multiple of 6 is closer to 17?
Sir, 18.
Yeah.
Sir,
So better to,
13.
yeah. So but even though it is between 12 and 18, I can write 12 plus 5, but 18 minus 1 is better. So 18 minus 1 is
Sir.
5 by 6. That is cos 3 pi minus 5 by 6. How to deal with this is you write cos 2 pi plus pi minus pi by 6. We'll deal with later. 2 pi can be neglected. Anytime 360 can be neglected, the answer will not change. So it will be cos pi minus pi by 6. This is like cos 180 minus theta, even multiple of 90, so it will become cos only, so cos pi by 6.
Cos
But second quadrant, negative, minus, so minus cos 30, minus
minus
is 3
cos
by 2.
2.
Okay. So first step is recognizing 18 is a multiple of 6, which is closer to this, and writing 18 minus 1. Next step is neglecting 2 pi. Next is cos 180 minus theta, writing as a minus cos. Vamsi, are you clear all these three things?
Yes, sir, clear. Sir.
Okay. Now, when angles are very big, what to do? We're going to see. Let us say I have a sine 1500 degrees. Or cos 1050 degrees. Or tan. Okay. Something, 750 degrees, something like this. When angles are very big, don't try to write a even multiple of 90 or multiple of 90. Try to find which multiple of 360 is closer to this. So 360 degrees, next is 720, next is 1080, next is 1440, next is we add 360, 1800. You have to see this one is closer to which one? So closer to 1440. So I'm going to write this as sine 1440 plus 6. 14 is 4 times 360 degrees plus 6. We can neglect this multiple of 360. It will be simply sine 60 and go 3 by. Here 1050 is between these two, but it's closer to this. I'm going to write this as 1080 plus minus 10. Multiple of 360 it is cos 3 times 360 plus minus 30. It can be neglected. I will get cos of minus 30. Cos minus theta is cos theta, so cos 30 and cos 30 is 3 by. 750 is very close to 720, just like that. So it is 720 plus 50. Because the multiple of 360 can be neglected, I'll get tan, tan 30. Tan 30, which is 1 by root 2. Okay. This I just gave 3 questions to have an idea. When angles are big, just to write nearer multiple of 360 plus or minus a simple angle, and then deal. Saket, you know all these things, right? You're able to follow or whatever it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
These I was having doubts.
Okay, you're clear now. You're getting cleared now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see if they're in radians, little bigger angles, what to do. So I'm going to write something like, let us say, sine Okay, 30 pi by 7. Or so let us say 50 pi by 11. 30 pi by 7, nearest multiple of 7 are 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 25, but it's close to 28. So I directly mix it fraction also you can write not a problem. 30, I'm going to write multiple of 7, 28 plus 2 by 7 into 5, which is 28 is 4 pi plus 2 pi by 7. 4 pi is a multiple of 2 pi. 2 pi is 360, multiple of 2 pi, I can neglect it. I'll be left with sine 2 pi by 6. Here also 44 is there, 55 is there, closer to 44. So I can simply write 4 pi, that is 44 plus 6 by 11 into 5. That is cos 4 pi plus 6 pi by 11. 4 pi is a multiple of 2 pi again, you can neglect it. So that cos 6 pi by 11. I can get 2 more. Forty-one pi by 7. Nineteen pi by 5. 43 pi by 11. Okay, which multiple of 7 is closer to 41? Nobody?
76, 42.
7 6 are 42. The 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42, and 42 is more closer. So I'm going to write this as 42 minus 1. 42 minus 1 into 5 by 7. If I split it, you get 6 pi. I'll write plus minus 5 by 7. My multiple of 2 pi can be neglected. I'll get sine minus 5 by 7. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta minus sine 5 by 7. 19 is close to which multiple of 5?
20, sir.
20. So we can write 20 minus 1 into 5 by 5. That is 4 pi plus minus 5 by 5. You can neglect multiple of 2 pi. So the cos of minus 5 by 5, which is cos 5 by 5. Cos minus theta is cos. 11 obvious multiple is close. You can say 33 or you can say 44. It is closer to 44. So you can write 44 minus 2 into 5 by 11. That is tan 4 pi minus 2 pi by 11. Multiple of 2 pi can be neglected. You can even write here plus minus 2 pi by. So tan of minus 2 pi by 11. Tan minus theta is minus tan theta. So we get minus tan 2 pi by. Okay, so when things are in radians, I hope you got an idea how to do it, right? Okay, that's it. I've done enough questions on angles. Now we can discuss some questions in the material just to see how they are. Because I'll do one thing. Today I'll stop and tomorrow we'll discuss some IP questions and some other mains material. Mostly what I will do is I'll down for somebody's class notes. I'll just show on the screen, explain quickly how to just do some questions, and then those who miss the classes they can try those questions once again. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. I'm ending the class.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
very much.
Thank you, sir.